What if the future of AI isn't on Earth, but in outer space? A new startup is launching the world's first AI data center satellite, and this idea might solve AI's biggest problems. Right now, AI data centers use enough electricity to power small countries. They waste billions of liters of water just to stay cool, and they create massive CO2 emissions every single day. But in space, everything changes. There's unlimited solar energy available 24/7. No clouds, no night, no power cuts. And the vacuum of space works like an infinite cooling system. No water, no fans, zero pollution. This startup, StarCloud, is sending a satellite with an NVIDIA H100 GPU, 100 times more powerful than anything ever launched into orbit. And the shocking part? Running AI in space could be 10 times cheaper than running it on Earth, even after paying for a rocket launch. The company predicts that within 10 years, most new data centers will be built in space, not on the ground. And their first mission? Launching this month, November 2025. Imagine AI trained above the planet, powered by the sun, cooled by the universe, and producing zero emissions. This might be the next chapter of technology. Follow for more breakthroughs happening in real time.